So I was at an academic conference by a political scientist that compares union elections to the standards that are used by international monitors when they go overseas into foreign countries to assess whether an election is actually a fair democratic election, like you hear about Jimmy Carter going and monitor elections in different countries. And there's kind of a checklist of different practices that they look at, including whether all of the voters have access to equal information, whether any particular party has undue control over the information given to the electorate, whether everybody has access to the polls, whether people fear intimidation for casting their vote. And when you compare the way union elections actually work in workplaces now compared to those criteria, you know, basically the way union elections are set up now in workplaces is in violation of all of those criteria. It's completely an undemocratic process.
So Jimmy Carter would if he went to a union election, would decide that it was not free and fair.
A stamp of no that it had not been free and fair, exactly.